day, sir and madam. I am Annabelle. I'm married. I have one daughter. I want to work Hong Kong to earn money to support my family.
Hello, Miss Annabelle. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am. I worked before in Saudi Arabia for 2 years.
Have you worked as domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family have you served?
There are 4 members of the family.
How many children and how old is the children when you begin to work there?
There are 2 children. One is 2 years old and 7 years old.
Do you know how to take good care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What were your main duties?
My main duties is taking care of baby and children, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
Please tell me your way of baby caring and how you get along with young children.
Feed them, take a bath, change diaper, play with them, teach them homework, and tell them stories.
Can you sing children's songs?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the day. 1 for a little boy who lives down the lane.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
I cook Filipino food, basic Chinese food, and basic Arabic food.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe your personal character.
I am hardworking, loyal, honest, respectful, and friendly.
How do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I will follow all the rules and regulations of my employer, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.